Look at him out there sitting, just waiting. Just waiting. There he is. Say hi, little man.
Hell, man.
What are we gonna do today?
Work on this Chevy.
Work on that Chevy. The hell we doing that for?
Because they need working on every once in a while.
Every once in a while?
That's right.
Alright. Alright guys, I do not do how-to videos, and I'm not going to start by showing you how to change the unit bearings on the front of this here 1936 Trailblazer. However, this young man right here claims to be my biggest fan.
That's right.
And he even owns a one-of-a-kind, autographed, custom-installed what?
Water heater.
From?
Joe.
Me.
It's autographed right on top.
So we're gonna put this together. You see how we's working here.
And mainly him.
You may see highlights of we working. But so we're gonna be friends after we try and fix this truck.
We've been friends before and after. Anybody that can put up with me picking on his Ford. He has got a superior tool there to hold that caliper up. It is a coat hanger.
No hanger, no wire tie.
No wire ties. We don't need wire ties. Why worry about the environment?
Yes.
We're trying to save them.
It's an environmentally friendly shop here.
There's a wrench underneath you if that's what you're looking for. It's right underneath you. Down there. Oh. Well, they're getting close.
Holy crap, man! That's probably what you hear squeaking.
Yeah,
that's
it's
down
time.
on the squeakers.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Right there's your squeaker. There's your pad.
It's time to get that.
You sure it needs bearings?
Yeah.
You're sure it needs bearings?
Yeah.
You're looking at that and you're sure it needs bearings.
Probably needs those too.
Yeah, you know this fucker's gonna squeak after I put it back together because your pads are shot.
Joe's Last Chance Garage.
Oh yeah, wait a minute here. Old boy running the camera there says Joe needs to change the name of his channel. So if anybody agrees with him, well, let me know.
It just makes it easier to find on YouTube.
You don't like the country music?
I don't like I don't even know who the Joe guy for country music is. I was like, I didn't know Joe played a guitar.
I'm surprised what I can do.
You are just a jack of all trades.
Rotor.
Yeah.
Old rotor.
Yeah, but it ain't bad. It's good enough for who it's for. As Mr. Tesmer always said.
Mr. Tesmer would kick your ass over. That's what would happen.
Now there's 3 18mm sockets on the back of that.
I was just trying to...
And they said make a mark on that thing so you make sure you put it back the right way.
Put the mark on what thing?
That shroud.
Oh, okay.
Just put like a grease pencil or something on a little mark on the top so you know which one is top. So you wanted a hat from them?
I bought, I don't know how much from Speedway while I was building that car.
Yeah.
And they would not give me a hat for nothing. Well, I bought like my taillights. They were $11 for the pair of them through Summit. And they sent me a hat. So I called Speedway the next time I needed something. I spent a couple $100. I said, look, I just spent $11 at Summit, and they sent me a hat. I've spent I don't know how much here. You guys won't send me a hat. Well, they sent me a hat, 2 of them round magnetic things.
Oh yeah.
4 like coasters in the shape of a tire. I don't know what all these things.
Man.
They sent me all kinds of shit.
Now, them are the good old days. Mr. Tesmer teaching us how to do that.
Yeah.
Power mechanics teacher at Lafayette Jeff.
I said, man, I packed that bearing. I walked that son of a bitch clear up my arm by the time that was done.
He made sure we knew how to pack a wheel bearing by hand. When's your next car show?
Tomorrow, I think.
Really? Where at?
CC.
Oh, is that what that tent out in front was for?
Yeah, they're just having a cruise in this year.
Oh, so it. Oh, okay.
which I imagine probably they just couldn't get out and get sponsors and shit with all the
stuff that's going on.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I imagine they just probably couldn't get out. And, which actually, I like cruising better than I like car shows anyway.
Yeah. Well, you get to hear them run and stuff, and
well, at cruising, there's no real trophies or anything. You're not really vying for position.
Right, you're not competing.
Yeah, ain't nobody going home upset because my piece of shit beat theirs or
right.
yeah. And then Sonic is having their cruise-in tomorrow night.
Really? So you're going to go both of them?
Usually CC's is, I gotta call somebody because I can't remember what time it is. CC's is like in the afternoon, like from 4 to 6 or 7 or something like that. And the Sonic will be from like 6 to whenever everybody goes home. Show me the pad. You tell me what's squeaking on this car, bearings? Huh?
Yeah. Whoops.
Huh?
Needing some pads.
Need a closer look at that?
Oh, look at that little squeaker.
That's rivet right there.
Yeah.
What's grinding? Rivet? Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? John. Thought I taught you better than that.
Slight miscalculation.
I thought I taught you better than that.
Mr. Chesmer would be...
He'd have a piece of your hiney
and,
right now.
and so would my dad.
He would definitely be telling you, John, I know I taught you better than that.
Well, in my
Joe might not have taught you shit.
in my defense, I'm still fixing the ABS sensor.
Joe may not have taught you shit in life, but I know.
Ouch! We'll have to edit that one.
Yeah, I know. I taught you better than that, John.
we'll have to edit that.
Yeah. You don't think it's the first time I've flown across this garage, do you?
No. Hey, as long as you don't get as mad as you did at the AutoZone guy.
Oh, sweet mercy. That was a bad day right there. That was a bad day right there. We're not going to talk about that.
Oh.
Me and the current AutoZone guy get along okay, so we're not going to talk about that right now. That guy ain't there no more.
The old guy or the new guy?
The guy that found out what I thought he did with his mother and he wasn't too bright. Ain't there no more. Had all kinds of music from them car shows and stuff in the background. And both times. Well, 3 times I've got shut down. Twice was Hey Jude. So it ain't even a good Beatles song.
Really?
Yeah. If it was a good Beatles song that everybody would have liked and been tapping their toes to,
right.
I'd have understood it. But it was Hey Jude. They should have thanked me for giving them their time.
Oh, look at that rotor on that side. No turning that one.
John. It's a good thing you're my little brother.
That's right. He loves me. Tell us the story, Joe.
John, me, his dad, we went to Six Flags.
No, we went to Busch Gardens.
Busch Gardens in Virginia. Oh shit. Log flume. John is just under 300 pounds. He's like 290 something, he was saying. His dad was 312, I think.
And you were in the middle of both of them?
No, but you know, I was 105. All 3 of us get on one log.
On the log ride.
One log on this log flume.
That's what they put you on?
Yeah. Well, this log going through, you know, that whole lazy river part of it, back and forth and through and around, and then we hit that belt. That log hits that belt and slides back down. Comes up a little bit, slides. It took 3 guys on each side of that log, plus that conveyor belt, to pull that log up to the top of that hill
Because of what was in.
because of the weight that was in that log. That log come over that hill and went down, bottomed out. It threw a wave out past the freaking fencing. People on the stairwells, you know where they got the little bridges that, you know, you're supposed past that.
Doused him.
The wading pool, it literally took them a couple minutes for that wading pool there where that log hits
Swoosh.
Settle down.
just to fill back up.
We went out to Washington D.C.
I got to use it.
and so that was a great time. Poor Joe, the whole trip did not understand that he can't get between me and my dad.
Yeah, he did.
And well,
He just had to pay for it.
he paid for it all right.
Bad.
Every time he'd come up behind us, we'd turn on our elbow, go flying into his
One of
jaw.
those, I had a hole in my lip. One of them big fuckers would whip around there, and the next thing I knew, I caught an elbow to the mouth.
What'd you say, Joe?
Oh! That's all I could say the whole time.
Ow!
Sounded like, that's where Homer Simpson got it from.
Yeah.
That guy heard me getting elbowed by John or his dad.
Yeah. Yeah. That was a great trip. We had a lot of fun on that trip.
Yeah, you have a lot of fun beating the shit out of Joe.
Oh, poor Joe.
It's all about Joe again. God
It is
damn
all about Joe. I keep telling you guys that. Sooner you guys believe me, the better we'll all get along.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Came back in on a hook.
It's coming back anyway, because somebody mistaked the sound of brake wear squeakers for wheel bearings. Cool.
Now that we're on the right track,
Now that I'm not doing everything upside down while I'm trying to bullshit and work at the same time. Dumbass.
what we had here is a technical difficulty.
What we have here is failure to communicate.
No, this what we have here is failure to pay attention.
Oh,
What you looking for?
my socket and my...
Is that it right there?
Where?
In front of
Yeah,
the
that's it. That's,
the one right in front of the WD-40 can.
that's the ticket right there.
Failure to pay attention to this here varmint.
That's all right. I'm having fun.
He's
That's all right. We're having a good time.
You want something to drink, Joe?
Yeah, actually, I got some water in the fridge back there.
I'll get it.
Joe said this wasn't an instructional video.
I
You
don't.
want anything to drink?
I'll take a water.
If you want to learn how to do something wrong,
Appreciate that.
watch
Thank you.
my videos. If you want to learn how to do something right,
Don't
look at-
watch it.
What I tell you, Charlie, I'm the best damn craftsman there is.
I haven't done it before.
Didn't I tell you that? I got some good craftsmanship here.
I'm glad you're fucking running off the ground.
Come on, say something. Pick on me, Charlie. You know you wanted.
I just did.
Oh, I missed that. You like this one now, Charlie?
I kept my mouth shut because
You like this
your
one,
world does no wrong. I just
You like
Wait,
this one?
wait a minute. What was the
I knew it the whole time.
what was the one?
Shit rolled it out.
What was the one where you did? Oh, he took his impact over here, and he's yelling at me for not telling him that he took his impact over here when he wanted to put the wheel back on over there. I said, "But your impact's over here," and he goes, "Why'd you just sit there and let me do that, didn't you?"
Man, I'll tell you what. Help,
What a bunch of pals!
help these guys out. The abuse I
And
got.
what they do, stab you in the back every time.
The abuse I gotta take.
Because I was sitting there thinking, now he just said he's going to put that wheel on. Why is he taking the impact over there?
All right, trying to do is do good in this world, and look what I got to take for it.